Wet weather to start our Wednesday morning here in Southwest Florida, thanks to Tropical Depression 9. So let's get to it. Plenty to talk about in our tropics this morning. First, of course, that Tropical Depression 9, still no name. We're still waiting on just a little bit more intensity in order to classify this as a tropical storm and give it that name, Hermine. But this is certainly the most impressive it's looked since Invest 99L started last week. And we're continuing to see this develop, intensify before it starts tracking toward the Big Bend region of Florida. It brought us plenty of precipitation yesterday. Southwest Florida still expecting more rain today before this does track just to our north. This is the expected path that it's going to take. Wind speed still at 35 miles per hour. But as it does head toward Florida's Big Bend, it's expecting to intensify at least to tropical storm status before it reaches land on, it looks like Friday early morning, late Thursday night. Now, the only real change in the path, the forecast track, is it keeps moving just a little further north. So right now, looking like it'll stay in that Big Bend region. And that's why we're seeing the tropical storm watches, tropical storm warnings, and even hurricane watch just in this area. So offshore here in the water, over the water, hurricane watch has been issued. Now that's over the next 48 hours. Could see hurricane-like conditions just over the water. Tropical storm warning, that was updated this morning. This means over the next 36 hours, we could see tropical storm conditions in this area, these coastal counties here. And then tropical storm watch, 48 hours, we could see the tropical storm conditions just a little further inland. So those are the latest updates this morning. Now, our tropical storm force winds, it's looking better here in Southwest Florida. It's a little on the breezy side today and tomorrow, but it doesn't look like we'll be dealing with the tropical storm force winds. The more damaging wind speeds going to stay to our north as well, but we're still looking at rain. Now, the rain coverage and intensity going to start shifting a little further north today, but we're still expecting to pick up a couple inches potentially over the course of our Wednesday, and that's on top of what we got yesterday as well. So it's expecting to be we're anticipating another wet day ahead of us. Now, I also want to touch on Tropical Depression 8. It's starting to head back out toward the Atlantic, brought that a wet and breezy weather to the coast of North Carolina yesterday. Right now, wind speed still at 35 miles per hour, although this is also expecting at some point to become a tropical storm. We'll also touch on Gaston real quick, still or upgraded again to a Category 3 hurricane, wind speeds of 120 miles per hour, but not affecting land. Now, I do want to show